Sir, Lok Sabha chamber mein, sir. I am speaking from here, sir.
Tembidore ji,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir, for calling me.
please.
Sir, this bill is, I am not opposing that, I am supporting what the minister said yesterday, explained about the importance of bill. Giving the,
Please switch on the mic.
sir, I am speaking the mic, sir. Are you able to hear? Sir, I am speaking of the mic, sitting. Please, you see that the mic is on, according to this. Okay, sir, that the Institute Ayurvedic, the Ayurvedic system is a very scientific one. But yesterday some members said whether we are having science or it's a scientific one.
अगर कुछ
But
हो गया
we
तो
missed-
मेरे ऊपर आएगा फिर।
We missed that
और आजकल कुछ
opportunity.
लोग चेयरमैन को निशाना बनने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड है इश्यूज को।
The built up the system because
Okay.
we followed, as some of members said, we have followed the Veda system. The Veda system, the Varnasrama, we said, Brahmins, Kshatriya, Sudra, and Vaishya, like that. Because of the classification, what happened, the people who practiced in the Ayurveda, they never interested to give the real science to others to learn. That way, because of that, this scientific Ayurvedic system, we could not succeed and research and have failed. But now the government recognized all these things. They want to develop the system systematically and see that it will help further development of that. That is the research institute is coming. Sir, I am coming to another point also. Ayurveda is a good system, but it's very popular in Kerala. As some of the members yesterday said, why can't you give importance to
ट्रांसलेशन अच्छा है सुनिए
Kerala state
तेजी से
and the other states, also Tamil Nadu also. Tamil Nadu, we are having lot of natural things. Wherever there is a Kuttalam, you would have heard Kuttalam, and also Kollimala Hills, like that, we are having lot of Ayurvedic medicines leaves are available. Therefore, we have to give importance to each state, as previous member said. We have to have a national import institute, each state, not only particular state, Gujarat, but Tamil Nadu also we have to consider. That is my request, sir. And also, not only Ayurvedic, if you take other systems, Siddha, Siddha is, we are having National Institute of Siddha in Tambaram, in Tamil Nadu. But why can't you give that also importance to the national importance and develop that? Because this is affiliated to the Tamil Nadu MGR University. MGR University is affiliated for that. But in Gujarat also there is a university. Even the university is there. You are not giving research to that, as other members said, but you are giving national importance to this institute particularly. The same way, in the National Institute of Siddha in Tamil Nadu, which we are having, you have to give national importance. This Siddha is also very important medicine in Tamil Nadu. There is no alternative like that. There is a specialized things. If you are not giving importance, so many quacks will come and create Siddha is a useless medicine like that they used to sell. Therefore, in order to promote not only Ayurvedic, you have to promote Siddha, Unani, and other system also.
Thank you.
Like that, I request the Honorable Minister to consider this, the National Institute of Siddha in Tamil Nadu as to given national importance, and also to establish one more Ayurvedic research center, as you are going to now do that in Tamil Nadu also, especially Coimbatore or Kuttaram, this area. I am requesting the Honorable Minister to consider my request, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri K.K. Ragesh.